Hello, it's math time for April 27th, 2020. Let's get started. It's time for our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. All right, today's problem of the day is missing digits. Fill in the blanks with digits to make the answer closer to 200 than 300. So you're going to use problem-solving strategies to solve this problem. This is one of those problems that doesn't have like an answer, I'm going to say. There's no answer that you come up with that is the right one. Okay, so everyone is going to think about how they can make their answer closer to 200 than 300, and they're just going to try their best. Now, if you come up with something and your answer, let's say, is 289, okay? Maybe you could try it again, and this time your answer might be 234. That's closer. Okay, so see how low you can go. But again, there's no right or wrong answer to this one. This one is just trying to get you thinking, and this is also trying to have you come up with more than one answer to this problem. Okay, so you don't just do it once and you're like, yeah, I'm done, it's easy. No. You need to keep thinking, how can I get it lower? Closer to 200 than 300. All right, guys, have fun. I'll be back in a little bit. I'm back. I hope you've taken some time to think about this one. And remember, guys, it's really important that when you are doing subtraction that you don't work on it horizontally, you work on it vertically, okay? So let's say our number, I'm just going to throw this out here. We're going to say the number is 434, and we're going to say minus 198. We're just going to say that, okay? Now, it would not be wise of me to try to figure this out vertically. Okay, I got to line it up horizontally so I can really think about this one. So I'm going to do 434. Again, I'm using my mouse pad, so my handwriting's not the best. I apologize. Minus 198. Here we go. Boom. So 4 minus 8. Oh, I can't do that. 8 is too large, so I have to go next door and get 10 more. So I'd make that 3 into a 2, which is really from 30 to 20. And then this 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Can I have 2 minus 9? Nope. Go next door and get 10 more. So that becomes a 3, which is actually 300 instead of 400. And this 2 becomes 12, which was 20, and now it's 120. Okay, so 12 minus 9, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 236. So that's not bad. That's pretty close to 200. Bravo to me. Okay, but do I think I could even get it lower? You know what? Yes, I do, because I have confidence in myself. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for an eraser. Oh, there it is. Whoop. And because this problem didn't have any specifics saying things like you must not use a digit more than once, it didn't say that. So I'm going to do something, and I'm going to make this 400 minus, oh yes, people, 199. Okay, so 400 minus 199. Now, if this is closer to 200, does this mean this is the right answer and my other one was wrong? No, sure does not. All it means is I was able to think about it and get closer to 200, okay? Oh boy, I'm going to have to borrow quite a bit on this one. So I'm going to have to change this to 300. This would become 1000, which is 1,000, and then I still have to borrow, so now it becomes 90. Pardon me, I'm being silly. Okay, so it would be 10 tens, which is 100. Now I'm gonna take that out, and it's going to be 90, and this is going to be 10 ones. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so we could tell initially that this answer was going to be closer than my first hypothesis. But it doesn't mean that I was wrong here and right here. No, it just means I thought about it more and I made some corrections. So guess who got smarter? Me and my brain. I hope you got smarter too when you were trying different scenarios and then you came up with numbers getting closer and closer to 200, because that's making your brain smarter. If you were like, well, Mrs. Zobitz, I did 400 minus 199 on my first try. Well, good for you, but in your mind, you were thinking of other scenarios before you came up with that. And what you need to do is try them out to have proof that you came up with the closer answer. Okay? If you just did 400 minus 199 and that's all you wrote, you weren't really showing what you know. What you're doing was you tried it out on the first try and you did well, so you gave up. But what you need to do is show proof of having different tries. Okay? All right, guys. Thanks for working hard today.